if you can learn this one thing, I guarantee you that you will never go broke, okay? Now, this is something that I have learned that has helped me so much, okay? And this is something that anybody can actually use, whether you have no good camera, whether you have a terrible slow smartphone, no matter what it is you have at your disposal. If you can learn this one skill, I promise you, you will never go broke, okay? Now, for those of you who are new here, my name is Emil Ruben, and I teach people how to make money from social media, okay? And every week I do a free class, and all you have to do is click the first link in the description below to register for the free class, okay? Now, let me tell you what this one thing is. Now, if I was to go broke and I had no money, no pounds, no dollars, no naira, no nothing, okay? I would use this to get myself up to making money again so I can become rich again. And that thing is attention, okay? Forget about every other currency in the world. Attention is the biggest currency ever. If you can figure out and learn how to grab people's attention very, very easily, you will never go broke. Because when you're able to grab people's attention, you're able to build an audience. And if you can build a huge audience of people, you can sell to that audience. And when I say huge doesn't even need to be like 1 million or 100,000 or anything. Huge can be 100 people, just 100 people, right? If you're able to build an audience, you can actually make huge amounts of money too. Right? And that's why I say that attention, grabbing people's attention is a skill. And if you can learn that skill, you will never go broke. Let me give you an example of what I mean, right? So let's say now that I want to sell a digital product that teaches business owners how to run Facebook and Instagram ads. But let's also assume that I'm broke. I have no money. I've literally blown all of my money on, on good wine and drinks, right? Let's assume that that's something that I did, right? And I was being stupid. So here's what I would need to do, right? What I would need to do is start making TikTok videos, right? I can post TikTok videos every single day for 30 days. And these TikTok videos will be teaching business owners how to run Instagram and Facebook ads, right? So I'll be grabbing their attention by giving them value, okay? So I will grab their attention, give them value, and tell them that if they want to learn more from me, then here's how they can learn more. And I will direct them to where they can get my course, okay? And it's as simple as that. I provide value upfront to them, right? And by doing this, it grabs their attention because now they see me and they're like, wow, this person is teaching me something. Let me follow him because I need to learn this, right? So I've grabbed their attention. And once I've grabbed that attention, I can now sell to them because I'm building an audience of business owners on my TikTok who want to learn how to run ads. So who do you think they're going to choose to learn more from? Me. They will want to learn more from me because I helped them to gain the knowledge on how to run ads, right? So you might be thinking right now, oh, but if you give all of your content away for free, why would they want to pay you to learn more? Well, there's a simple reason for that. It's because the information you're going to give them is going to be the theoretical part. So you're going to teach them how something works, okay? Now, when they get your course, they're going to get access to how they can do it practically. So they're going to get step-by-step videos that will show them how to do it practically. They will also get access to you. So they are paying not only for the information, but access to you so that they can ask you questions, right? So that they can ask you how to do something or how to fix a certain problem, right? And then thirdly, they're paying for access to a community so that they can be part of a community where they ask questions, where, they're able to get answers, where they're able to do assignments and get their assignments reviewed. This is what they are paying for. But the information you put out on TikTok and YouTube or Instagram is just what you use to grab their attention, okay? And there are many other ways you can grab attention too. For example, in my previous videos, I've spoken about using controversy to grab attention. And there are other things you can do too, like you can put out information that inspires people. So you can put out information that inspires business owners, and this will also grab their attention. So if you can learn how to grab people's attention, you will never ever go broke. okay? So I hope this has helped you. And listen, I know that you're going to be joining the class below because you want to learn exactly how to make money. But if you're not, I don't know why you're even here in the first place, right? So make sure you click the link below, the first link below, to join my class. I do free classes, live classes every single week where I teach you exactly how you can do this and how you can monetize your social media and make money from social media, okay? And also don't forget to give this a thumbs up and like this video and subscribe for more videos just like this. I can't wait to see you in this week's class. Cheers.